If you have too many oats, let's make these oat banana pancakes. So first you're gonna wanna get a cup of oats, and then you're gonna blend them into a flour. Or if you already have oat flour, you can use that too. To bind them, instead of using eggs, we're gonna use banana, and then you're gonna add your plant milk of choice. I used almond. Then you add apple cider vinegar, then some baking powder, vanilla or almond extract, and then maple syrup. I had date syrup, so I used that instead. You blend this all up into a nice little milk, and you're gonna add this to the oat flour. You can also just blend the oats too in there. I just didn't realize that until after. But once you have it all mixed, you're gonna let it sit for a bit because that apple cider vinegar is gonna act like a buttermilk. So you add this to a hot pan with some oil, and you just cook them like you would normal pancakes, right? Oats are just super delicious. They can be gluten-free, so they just have a lot of fiber and protein. So it's better to use this instead of all-purpose refined flour, right? So once they're ready, you're just gonna add some tahini or peanut butter, whatever you want. Then there's syrup of choice. Again, I use date. And now, yeah, we're ready to eat this thing, and you can just enjoy this.